All right, how's it going, everybody? Just want to show you guys the beautiful area that I live in. This beach is about 5 minutes away from my house, maybe a 2 minute drive. I just want to do a quick pocket dump for you guys. If you guys managed to stay through that whole train thing, then congratulations. So we've got the Damascus copper backlash in pocket today, which I really like. I also have the copper Asticus, I guess it's called. It's not Asticus, but it's Asticus. So I'm rocking those two blades today. And we got something really cool here. A British Columbia copper piece, little bottle opener. It's kind of like a rose gold. I think it's beryllium copper. This is awesome. This piece right here feels like it's about a 3 ounce nice worry stone. And I got this other beautiful piece here. And these come from the Hammered Canadian. I would check him out on Instagram. He makes awesome stuff. And as an ode to Grateful Panic knife reviews, I am drinking Schweppes tonic water today. So I quite like it. It's good stuff. Like the taste. Always have. Always will. But yeah, it is. What time is it? 2:20 right now. So yeah, that's kind of my pocket drop for today, you guys. Just want to show you guys what I'm working with today. And yeah, having a good day. Just kind of going for a little walk at the beach here. Might get into some fishing later this week. And yeah, have a good day.